Okay, let's solve these problems. The population mean and standard deviation for heart rate, beat per minute are given in the table below. Mean is 90 beats per minute and standard deviation is 10. Problem 1. Calculate the z-score for a person with a heart rate of 72 beats per minute. Okay, so the z-score is, the value minus mean divided by this population standard deviation. Actually, this is okay. So in this case, 72 minus 90 over standard deviation is 10, so it's minus 1.8. Z. Z-score for a person with a heart rate of 102 ppm. So Z-score is 102 minus 90 over divided by 10 is 1.2. Which heart rate is more unusual? 1.8 standard deviations away, 1.2 standard deviations away. So this is more unusual. 72 beats per minute. It's more unusual. The population means and standard deviations for English tests and math tests are given below. Mean for English test is 100. Mean for math test is 900. And the standard deviation for English is 10. The standard deviation for math is 50. From a glance, you can actually tell, because the mean is about nine times more, but the standard deviation is 5 times more. So this is more spread than this. You can kind of tell anyway. To be for people who don't get it, z-score kind of helps. Calculate z-score. Again, z-score is calculated like this, right? The population mean, and this is gonna be the population standard deviation. So z-score for a person with a score of 115 on English test. And this is the mean. So z equals 115 minus 100, because it's talking about English, divided by standard deviation 10 is 1.5. Calculate z-score for a person with a score of 960 on a math test. So z 960 minus mean is it's talking about math, so its mean is 900 and the standard deviation is 50. So 50 under 60, 1.2. On which test did the person perform better? So from these two values, on which test did this person perform better? This person performed English better But the thing is, it's not talking about the total score, total possible points for each test. So you can't really tell absolute, achievement or performance. It's only talking about the performance level in relation to the population. Suppose everyone else is so, this population is not really smart, not really good at, English, for example. But this population is extremely smart in math, That could be a civilization that math is super advanced, for example. So, in that case, you can't really tell because it's talking only. It's not talking. You can't tell, how how they really are smart about math or English. It's only talking about, how smart you are in relation to the population. So the whole entire population is dumb. Then, even a dumb score is gonna be a okay score or a good score sometimes. So, in this example or for this class, you don't probably have to work statistics. You don't have to deal with this issue, but just for my own mental note, I'm gonna have to say English, but in relation to the population. Yeah, that's kind of important, This is very important to me, at least. Okay.